Hello everyone, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the shopping from the brand Max. I am very excited to share with you all the kurtis and scarf and mask I have purchased from this brand. I love this collection very much. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So this is the first one from the shopping collection. This is called Max A-line dress. This is a maxi dress. This is from their collection Tavisha. Max has introduced this collection, new collection, that is Tavisha. This is the maxi dress, and as you can see, it has a woven like embroidery pattern here till the waist, and they also have mirror work here. Other than this, the whole dress has this print all over the length. This is a blue color, greenish blue color. It has some mixture of green and blue. This is a sleeveless dress, but it has they have given sleeves with this. So as usual, they have attached sleeves here. You can remove from here and then you can stitch it here if you don't want to wear a sleeveless dress. I have purchased a M size of this, and original price of this is $15.99. I think this is their new collection, so they did not have a much discount on this. But on their website, on Max's website, if you can check, they have offers going on, like buy one get one free, or 30% off, or 500 or 1000 off on certain minimum shopping amount. So I have purchased these dresses in that. This is another dress from the Max collection. This is also a maxi dress. This has this belt here. It comes with this dress. This is kind of cotton material basically, and it has this pattern. It has a small slit here. You can see. This is a long dress, long casual dress. This has this 3/4 sleeves. This beautiful dress for casual use. The original price for this was $13.99. I think I got this for 30% discount. Size for me is M, and this is a very pretty dress. I like this dress very much. This is another one from their new collection, that is Tavisha. This is a Max dress. This is also called a embroidery maxi dress. This has this two color, like the pink color and this embroidery work here at the chest till the waist, and they have this check pattern, yellow all over the dress. It also has a printed border here at the bottom. The original price for this was $17.99. This is a new collection. Again I bought this at the sale, I guess. Overall there was 500 off on the collection of 299, so I bought this in that sale. Again I like this very much. You can wear, this is a festive kurta. You can pair it up with a dupatta of your choice, and this will give you that typical festive look. I have purchased this for Diwali. This is another dress. This is called Max. This is called Max Woman Top Self-Design Embroidery A-line dress. So it has a embroidery work here. This is a beautiful embroidery work. The color combination is super beautiful. This color is called top color, and it has a tiered. This is a tiered pattern dress. This is called tiered pattern. So the plain dress here, only embroidery work at the chest. The price for this was 1049, but at the offer I got this for 850 rupees something. The size for me is M, so you can use such dress for casual use. So this color cotton kurti. This has this embroidery here, some bandhani kind of work here. This is also from the Max brand. As you can see, this is a simple kurti, simple cotton kurti. The color is actually a green one. In camera it looks like a little blue and very dull, but this is not a dull color. This is a very pretty green color. You can use this for office use also if you are working. Very plain and very sober kurti. This I got this for I think 400 or 450 rupees something in the discount. So this is a Max top, Max cotton top. This has a geometric print. It has this length. This is a multicolored top, but the colors they have used, these are, because of this color, this top looks very beautiful. This is a ikat kind of printing, I guess. This is a beautiful, casual, pretty cotton top. I love this top. This is very pretty. This is from the back. The original price for this was 499. I got this for I think 10 or 20% discount. Then I purchased this scarf from the Max. This is a cotton material, a very soft and comfortable cotton material. It has this print, tiger print, and this red border. This looks very pretty. Overall, this color combination and all, I liked it very much. The original price for this was I think $399, and in the offer I got this for 200 or 250 something. So very decent length this has. So pretty. Then I purchased this mask, pack of 3 masks from the Max. These are the cotton mask. It has these 3 colors. I like these colors so very much. I actually purchased this for colors, but when I started using this has a layer which does not suffocate you. Generally when you use multi-layer mask, you feel like suffocation in those masks and you want to remove it as soon as possible. But these masks, these are very comfortable. It gives you that required space around your mouth and nose, so you won't feel suffocated in this mask. And also the colors, these 3 colors. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share the video to your friends and family. See you soon. Bye bye.